3D objects such as these can be created by drawing directly in 3D. A variety of tools are available to create basic geometric forms such as these extrudes, spheres, and cones. 2D shapes can be transformed into 3D using one of the commands in the Model menu. For example, with the Extrude command, a height is given to the 2D object. When I move into a 3D view, you can see that this 2D square has become a cube. 3D objects are seen as wireframe until a rendering mode has been chosen. Advanced 3D operations use Boolean commands to add or subtract solids from each other. 3D solids are single entities that display a solid fill inside the object, even when sectioned or subtracted. "3D modeling can also be done using NURBS curves and surfaces, allowing the creation of more complex 3D shapes. Vectorworks includes several tools for drawing NURBS curves and surfaces directly. These objects then become the basis for other 3D operations. There are a variety of methods for editing 3D objects. With many 3D objects, the Object Info palette can be used to edit certain parameters. With 3D solids, by double-clicking on them, I can open an editing window. Here I can edit or add to the original objects, and any changes made in this editing window will be reflected in the 3D shape. With the 3D Reshape tool, I can easily adjust the height and radius of these objects and move the vertex points on these NURBS curves and surfaces.